Two football powerhouses, Real Madrid and Barcelona, compete in the highly awaited El Clasico twice every year. Their rivalry predates the establishment of La Liga and extends beyond the game, reflecting the distinct cultures, cities, and iconic stadiums. Camp Nou and Santiago Bernabeu. Currently, both clubs are investing nearly $1 billion to upgrade their stadiums. Each team is adopting a unique approach to the redesign. Camp Nou is being transformed into a three-tiered stadium that enhances natural light, increases walkways, and provides unparalleled views of Barcelona, making the most of the city's scenic setting with a Mediterranean architectural style. Meanwhile, 600 kilometers from Camp Nou, the Santiago Bernabeu is taking a completely different approach with a striking exterior design. The stadium is encased in 60,000 square meters of curved steel and features the world's first underground retractable playing field. Real Madrid aims to lead in innovation both on the field and behind the scenes, continuing a tradition of pioneering they started over 80 years ago, a tradition Barcelona has been striving to match. The Tale of Two Cities. In the 1940s, Real Madrid pioneered the modern football business model by building an advanced stadium, the Santiago Bernabeu, which expanded its fan base from 6,000 to 41,000 people and significantly increased its revenue. Barcelona responded by constructing their own stadium, which opened in 1957 as the Camp de les Corts and was later renamed Camp Nou, meaning the new ground in Catalan, a decade after Bernabeu's inauguration. Major updates to both stadiums were made in preparation for the 1982 World Cup. The Bernabeu added roof coverings for better spectator protection, and Camp Nou increased its capacity to 121,401, becoming the world's largest stadium across all sports. This capacity was reduced later to comply with new safety standards. Following this, the Bernabeu underwent further enhancements, including new seating, VIP areas, and commercial spaces, marking its expansion into a broader business venture. This period also saw Real Madrid planning its most significant renovation project yet, ongoing for over 15 years. These renovations raise questions about whether they're still vying for dominance in Spanish football or if there are other reasons for the upgrades. A glimpse into the future. Real Madrid aims to make their stadium a timeless architectural masterpiece, but it hasn't been easy getting there. They faced legal issues over land use and only got approval in 2017, along with a $600 million loan. Since then, the project's cost has skyrocketed to $1.5 billion, which is over 4 times more expensive than the new Inter Miami Stadium. Real Madrid believes the renovation will eventually pay off, predicting an annual increase in revenue of $217 million from tickets, services, and parking. Similarly, Barcelona is looking to turn its financial situation around by revamping Camp Nou, which could also significantly boost its income. 22. Now, as both clubs' renovation plans are becoming a reality, it's interesting to see how each project progresses and what inspired their unique designs. The philosophy of the new Bernabeu. In Madrid, the redesign of the Santiago Bernabeu aimed to integrate it seamlessly with the city while keeping it lively and bold without overwhelming the area. The most notable change is its new curved outer shell, which spans 60,000 square meters and is made from 7,500 steel slats, giving it a modern and dynamic look. This design, developed with the help of digital modeling, displays unique patterns by day, and comes alive at night with images projected on its surface thanks to LED lights. Additionally, the stadium now has a retractable roof that can open or close in 15 minutes and a design that lowers noise levels in the neighborhood. The construction also included a new tunnel to help with operations and minimize street-level disruptions. Although the plan was to finish by 2022, the pandemic delayed progress. And when Real Madrid played there in September 2021, work was still ongoing. Despite these challenges, the stadium's most innovative feature is its hidden, underground retractable pitch. The groundbreaking pitch. The Santiago Bernabeu now features a unique retractable pitch, a first of its kind that works from the top downwards. It consists of 12 15-meter wide panels on a rail system below the grass, which fit together perfectly to form a seamless football field. When not in use, an automatic system retracts these panels, lowering them into the ground to stack in a high-tech underground storage called the Hypogeum. This facility keeps the grass in optimal condition, resembling a greenhouse with its own irrigation system, and staff can also manually maintain the turf. Bernabeu's busy city location on Paseo de la Castellana demanded an innovative approach to accommodate the city's dynamic event schedule, allowing for multiple events in a day or weekend. This groundbreaking pitch is just one part of the stadium's transformation. Fans will also enjoy a 360-degree scoreboard and curved screens around the upper levels for live updates and visuals. Above, the renovation includes a new mall, museum, and eateries, pushing the budget from $950 million to $1.5 billion in 2022 after additional funding. Despite these vast expenses, Barcelona's own stadium projects are set to surpass this investment. The next generation of the Camp Nou. The redesign of Camp Nou focuses on blending the stadiums with Barcelona's urban landscape and making the most of the city's warm weather. In contrast to the Santiago Bernabeu's dramatic exterior, Camp Nou's new design eliminates the facade to open up 3 tiers that showcase views of Barcelona. Unlike the completely new approach at Bernabeu, Camp Nou's update keeps 2 of its original stands from 1957, while adding a 3rd tier to reduce crowding and improve access throughout the stadium. This new section will offer steeper seating for better views and a more immersive experience for fans. A standout feature is the stadium's retractable roof, constructed from durable, translucent plastic that allows lighting in various colors. The renovation of Camp Nou is a key part of the broader Espai Barca project, aimed at enhancing facilities around the stadium to increase income and attract new sponsors like Spotify. The Grand Planned Espai Barca. In 2021, Barcelona's club members approved the new design for their stadium, leading to the start of construction the next year. The work, which accelerated during the Qatar World Cup, is now ahead of schedule. There will be a new Barcelona hub, featuring a large official store, an expanded museum, and the Campus Barca, a green area for visitors. These enhancements are expected to bring in over $200 million in extra revenue annually, helping Barcelona to manage a loan repayment over 35 years to recover from a financial downturn that led to nearly $1.5 billion in debt and the loss of key players like Lionel Messi. In a unique fundraising effort, grass from the old pitch has been turned into synthetic diamonds, selling for up to $16,000 each. Barcelona is investing $1.6 billion in the Espai Barca project, aiming to overcome its financial troubles and regain its status in football. More than $930 million of this budget is allocated to Camp Nou's renovations, which are due to be completed by 2025, signaling a new chapter for FC Barcelona and raising the question of how it compares with Real Madrid's Bernabeu Stadium. In Barcelona, they're creating a whole new area with Camp Nou as the centerpiece, greatly enhancing the experience for fans. Meanwhile, in Madrid, the revamped Santiago Bernabeu represents a significant advancement in stadium architecture with its modern, cutting-edge design, keeping Real Madrid's prestigious history alive. The addition of a retractable and stackable pitch underscores Real Madrid's pioneering role in stadium innovation. Well, that's my take at least. But what about yours? Do you have a favorite between the two? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.